Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making this bomb homemade batter, dunking in some Oreos and frying them to a crisp, golden, fluffy perfection because we are making the best fried Oreos ever. Like seriously, ever. Let me tell you, the state fair, the carnivals, honey, they ain't got nothing on these fried Oreos. So let me show you how to make them. Crazy, crazy easy. Okay, first we're going to add our all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Next, I'm going to add in some baking powder, a little bit of salt, and I'm going to throw in a little bit of sugar. Dump that on in there. We're going to whisk this all around, make sure everything is nice and combined. And you guys, if you haven't purchased my cookbook, it's ready. There you go. Go ahead and get it. It's full of family recipes, stories, all that good stuff. Okay, so I think we're good on this whisking. Everything is nice and whisked. All right, so now we're gonna move along. We're gonna make a little well in the center of our bowl, just like this right here. And in this well is gonna go our wet ingredients. So I'm gonna throw in an egg. I'm gonna add in a little bit of melted butter, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract. Dump that right on in. We're gonna whisk this around a little bit, just to kind of, break up that egg a little bit. That looks good. I love this batter so much, you guys. I love it. Next, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of whole milk, and now we're just gonna mix everything together. Now, sure, you can use a pancake mix, but this recipe right here, there's so much baking powder, it really gives it a nice fluffy lift. It's kind of like a pancake and a funnel cake. It's just, yeah, the texture is so perfect. And if your batter is a little bit lumpy, that is perfectly fine. It should have a few lumps in there. Okay, let that batter sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna get it nice and thick. Meanwhile, go ahead and prepare your oil. Just add it to your pan here. I'm using canola oil. And once that oil gets to about 350 degrees, we are ready to fry them up. So make sure you have everything ready to go. Make sure you have your little draining pan ready to go. You get your Oreos. Everything is ready to go. This is a fast process. It goes very, very quick. They don't take long to cook. So go ahead and take your Oreos. I'm using double stuff because I love double stuffed Oreos when I'm doing fried Oreos. It's just so perfect. Okay, so dump that into the batter and then just pull it right on up. I like to use a fork. You can use a tongue. You can use your hands. Really doesn't matter, okay? Let the excess drip off, but don't hit it up against the pan, okay? We don't want to knock off the batter. And then just place it right into that hot oil. They fry up so quickly. Go ahead and flip it over. Once both sides are nice and golden, you can just carefully remove them from the pan using a slotted spoon and then place them on that prepared cooling rack that you did. And now just go ahead and let them drain a little bit. I like to instantly hit them with a little bit of powdered sugar, but you can wait until you're done with all of them. And some of them will be pretty, so pretty, and some will be kind of ugly, just the way it is, okay? Just the way it is. Yeah, hit them with some powdered sugar. I like to do 2 coats of powdered sugar. And then after that, you're done. You want to serve these hot, but I also like them room temperature. They're really good either way. But yeah, that's it. Let me show you guys the inside because, honey, these Oreos, you guys, look at this. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me bite it for you. Okay, look at that inside. It's like so fluffy, and the Oreos pretty much melted. Y'all, just make them. They're so quick and easy. Make them. Let me know how you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and check out my other videos. Later.